scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Container questions get easy fast when you focus on what actually controls molecule count. So watch this quick setup and lock in the right choice. The number of molecules depends on the amount of gas present, so we're really comparing moles of O2 in each container, not just staring at one table entry. According to the ideal gas relationship, the amount of gas is proportional to PV over T, so pressure and volume help, while a bigger temperature actually reduces moles. Now compare each container using the PV over T ratio. The largest ratio means the most O2 molecules pointing straight to container A. Well done! Option A. Scan now, avoid rushing signs, trust given values, and check steps, because the biggest PV over T ratio gives the most molecules.